Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to cash out money on Cash App for free. This is actually very simple, but one of the questions that I'm asked the most in my comments. If you're new to Cash App, go ahead and subscribe to my channel where you'll find hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Once you follow that link, sign up for the app and get everything set up. You should be good to go. You'll have your bank account connected. You'll be able to start sending and receiving money from people on Cash App, and your balance will show down here in the bottom left. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this. This shows your Cash App balance. By the way, the two numbers that are blurred below this, never show those to anybody. And once you're on this banking screen, you can tap add cash to send cash from your bank account over to Cash App, or you can tap cash out to send cash from your Cash App to your bank account. So I'm going to show you how to cash out $50 for free. Just tap cash out, move this slider to however much you want to do. I'm going to send $50, tap cash out. Now there's two options here. You can do standard, which will be sent on Monday for me. That's a few days from now. Or you can do the instant option, which will cost you an 88-cent fee. I'm just gonna do standard. It's gonna scan my face. We wanna do free. We don't wanna pay that fee. So we're all set. $50 will be available in your bank account by Monday. Tap done. There we go. That $50 is now in transit from Cash App to my bank account. And we can tap the recent history in the top right corner there. You'll be able to see some of my history here. Unfortunately, I'm gonna blur a lot of stuff on this screen, but you'll be able to see my recent history and two cash outs that I've done right here. You can also do some cool stuff with investing in this app, with the Cash App card, with stocks, and with Bitcoin. So definitely check out the other videos on my channel to take advantage of that. We can tap this recent cash out and get the details there. We can see $50 is sending to my bank. And that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.